In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your downstream O2 sensor on your Chevy HHR. It's located on your exhaust pipe. This connector right here is for the O2 sensor. We're going to pick up this tab here. Disconnect it. Like that. Now let's remove our wire from the heat shield that's next to the exhaust. And just pull it away. You can bend the heat shield if you need to. Like so. And bring the connector down. And now we're going to take out this end. Now we're going to use an O2 sensor socket and remove our O2 sensor. Sometimes you have to heat these up to get them out. We had to do that. Once you get it loose, it should come out a little easier. And you can take it out the rest of the way. Let's install our O2 sensor. Make sure you have anti-seize on the threads. Insert it in and hand tighten it. Once you get it hand tightened, you can snug it up, and then we're going to torque it. Once you get it snug, you can change it over to a torque wrench. We're going to torque this to 31 foot-pounds. Now that we're torqued, we're going to thread the wire up onto the heat shield and then plug it in. Now we're going to feed the wire up into the heat shield, same way it was before. And feel free to bend back your heat shield to hold it in place. And I'm just going to push this connector up top. I'm through the driver's side wheel well, the easiest place to see it. And I'm reaching in and plugging it in. Just make sure it's locked on after you connect it. You should hear a click. Now you can clear your codes if needed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.